Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have an awesome, easy yet super effective chest lift workout. All right, we're gonna focus on those pectorals, get a nice pump in. All right, get them nice and toned, lifted. It's awesome. All right, so let's get into it. Alrighty, we are gonna be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through what we're doing, proper form, all that good stuff, and then set number 2 and 3, I zip it. We just get straight through the routine together, all right? So starting with our first exercise, it's super simple, but so effective. I learned this from Mare. It doesn't look like much, but wow, does it work, all right? We're gonna put our hands together and our elbows are out to the side, all right? I don't want your elbows down here, nice and up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna squeeze. We're gonna squeeze our hands really, really as much as you can for a couple seconds and then release. And then go ahead and squeeze, 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 squeeze again. All right, we're gonna do that continuously for 30 seconds, all right? Big breath and let's go. All right, so squeezing, not just your hands, but you wanna squeeze your pectorals. So you wanna use more of your chest to do the squeezing instead of your biceps. So you can kind of, put your energy and your focus towards there. All right, squeezing and then releasing, very good. All right, maybe come down here. If you're up here a little bit more, you're gonna be using your biceps a little bit. So bring your hands down here right in front of your chest or right below it a little bit. And very good. One more. 3, 2, 1, and release. Wow, I already feel it. Awesome. Moving on, we're gonna be doing an X grab. This one's cool. So with our arms, we're gonna create an X. So X, and then you're gonna grab it, bring it down, and then whichever hand was over, we switch. So switch and bring it back. So right over left, and then left over right. But here, I want you to squeeze when you make the X. So here, squeeze your chest and bring it down. All right, squeeze and bring it down. All right, 30 seconds and let's go. X and grab. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze and grab. Very good. And the more you cross, the more you're gonna feel it in your chest. So cross as much as you can. Instead of being like here, we're gonna cross. Very good. Woo! Awesome job. Even though we're focusing on our upper body right now, I want you to keep your lower body in mind, your core as well. Everything is engaged, nice tucked in tummy, bend in the knees, straight posture. It's only gonna help you move better. Everything is connected. And 3, 2, 1, and very good. Let go. Awesome job. Next, we're gonna do a horizontal press. So put your hands like this together, and then once they come apart, we're gonna press forward, and then make a little triangular shape if you want. All right, press, 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 squeeze your chest, and then come in, and then out again. All right, squeezing those pectorals, those chest muscles. Big breath, and let's go. So relaxed here a little bit, and then squeeze and then come back. Very good. Awesome job. Moving with intention, all right? If you're just moving back and forth, you're not gonna feel anything. All right, so you gotta really activate your muscles and move with intention. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Very good. I sound like a broken record, but it's just to get the point across and to remind you, okay? And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very, very good. Woo, I'm already feeling it. I hope you are too. All right, our last exercise is gonna be scissor arms, but with our palms facing up. So, palms facing up, right over left, and then left over right. All right, switching back and forth. All right, scissor arms. Super simple, palms up. You got this, 30 seconds. I don't need to remind you what you need to squeeze, but you got this, and let's go. Fast, fast, fast. This one we do want to do fast, so very good. Awesome job. Breathe. Almost there. Bend in the knees. It's gonna help you move better. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and relax. Woo! Very good. I feel it. Hope you do too. We're gonna take a second, catch our breath, get some water, and then we're gonna do set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2. Less talking for me. You already know what to do. You know what to squeeze. All right, we have our hand squeeze, our X grab, all right? Then we have our horizontal press, and then we have our scissor arms, okay? 30 seconds each. You got this. Big breath, hand squeeze. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, go, 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 and release. Very good. Shake it out. Next, we have our X grab, big breath, and begin. And 3, 2, 1, and very good. Release. Awesome job. Shake it out. Horizontal press, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze and release. Very, very good. Finishing strong with our scissor arms. Big breath, palms up. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Shake it out. Awesome job. 2 sets of your chest lift workout done. Let's take a second, grab water, and then I'll see you for set number 3. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 3, you know what to do. Let's keep up the energy, activate those muscles, starting up with hand squeeze, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, go, 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 and release. Very good. Shake it out. Next, we have our X grab, big breath, and begin. And 3, 2, 1, and and very good. Release. Awesome job. Shake it out. Horizontal press, 30 seconds. Let's go. Three, two, one, squeeze and release. Very, very good. Finishing strong with our scissor arms. Big breath, palms up, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Shake it out. Alrighty, and that was it. 3 sets. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you felt it. I know I did. Let us know in the comments below. And then don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell that lets you know when we post so you don't miss out on any of our awesome videos. We have workouts, we have recipes, meditations, we have it all. So go check it out, and I hope to see you on the next one.